In this video here, I want to show you how to operate a Mainstay Walmart brand K-Cup coffee maker. It's fairly simple to use once you know how to do it. So there's two compartments here. There is the water reservoir right here, and then there's where you put your K-Cup. The water reservoir will actually have ounces to where you can fill it to, 14 being the highest, and then you can fill the water up to as low as 6 ounces. Now, the last cup that I made was 14 ounces, and you can see how over to the rim top it got. And so that was actually a little bit too much coffee. So what I would recommend you do is get your coffee cup and go ahead and fill it to the desired measure of coffee that you want. Let's say I just want that amount, like that. Then what I'll do is just go ahead and dump that into my water reservoir, and that way I don't have to worry about it getting too full or getting too much. Like that. Now to open up the K-Cup reservoir, the only thing you have to do is push this in. So you see there? Push. As I push, I lift up. Okay, and then of course I put my K-Cup in there. Now they do come with the coffee grain container that you would actually just dump coffee beans into and close it. And that actually has a different settings. So for this one, I only simply have to hit this one right here, the one that's actually got a cup. I don't know how well you can see it. Right there. And when I hit it, it'll blink. And this one is the ground. That's where I would do my coffee bean. So if I had the coffee bean in a reservoir, I would hit this one. But being that it's I'm doing the K-Cups, I hit input. So go ahead and hit input. And what's going to happen is that's going to blink. And it'll take about 5 minutes. As you can hear it starting to brew. And then of course put your sugar and your cream or whatever you want to put into it after. And then you're all set. Alright, thanks for watching.